Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a shortcut to remove photo background in an iPhone. Now let's go ahead and find shortcuts right here, and once we open shortcuts we're going to go ahead and create a new one. So I'm going to click this one right here, and I'm going to go ahead and look for remove background or remove image background, and then from here I'm going to tap this eye right here and then click show in share sheet. Click this, and then what I'm going to do is replace something right here. So you have continue. I'm going to click that one, and then I'm going to choose ask for. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and choose photos. Now for remove background from, I'm going to go ahead and click this one image, and then I'm going to click shortcut input. Now next we're going to go ahead and look for another action item, and we're going to go ahead and look for save to photos. I'm going to go ahead and choose this, and yeah, and then from here I'm going to click this one right here, rename this one, and it's up to you what you're going to rename this to. Once you're done with that, oops, let's go back. Once you're done renaming, click this, click it once again, and then I'm going to go ahead and click add to home screen. And then from here, you make changes to the image, the color, and the icon, and then click add. All right, and you should be able to see here, save the photos. Click that one over there, and you're going to go ahead and look for something. Let's go ahead and choose, say for example, this one. I'm going to click this. All right, and you can see that it's done. So if you open photos once again, you should be able to see here a new image that has the subject but no background.